is there when you get a chance.
20 at 7 knots. Visibility more than 10.
I wonder if it will stop. Flying fast and high together, flying till we stall out and we drop. Gravity makes us drop. I've gone as high as I can go. Now I'm laying low.
Off the brakes.
Yep. Power's all the way up. 1 potato, 2 potato. Get me level, 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 level. That's level.
Okay.
Okay, don't fight me on the controls. That's level. Okay, there's the rumble. Ease back on the stick. Good.
And tap the brakes.
Yep.
And prop back to 2500.
Yep.
Climbing through the clouds, I'm always climbing.
Say the beam. Just about a beam. So power's going to come back. Prop goes to roll. We used to say meatball line up an angle of attack. And so meatball was your glide slope. Lineup is your lineup on a runway. Angle of attack is your airspeed. So when we're going down the chute, constantly think that. It's like, where's my lineup? What's my airspeed? What's my glide slope?
Madras traffic, Decathlon is turning left base 34 grass, stop Echo Madras.
Madras 764942 is on the go, Madras.
A little bit low.
Now we're just going to get a little flat.
Up.
Yep, meatball line up, angle back. Put your airspeed. Okay. Good, under control. Get the sync. Okay, keep working it down. Keep the visual, so right about there. Keep working it down, keep working it down, keep working it down, working it down. Pitch, level, hold it there, hold it there, hold it off.
A little fast.
Yeah. Level, hold it here, and then set the pitch attitude very slowly. Just hold it off, hold it off, hold it off, hold it off. Hold it off, good, good. Power back. Good, that's how it's done, sir.
Center line.
Yep, keep fighting for that center. That's back, good. Good, that was great.
And 1 potato, 2 potato.
Yeah, more.
More.
Get the tail
more,
up, get the tail up.
More.
Okay, right there, that's what you want. That's the sight picture.
Okay.
Perfect. And there's the rumble. Nice, very good, excellent work.
Tapping the brakes.
Good. Set our pitch attitude for 80, and then wind her back, 25.
Gone as high as I can go. Now I'm laying low.